There. Good. Now change your diagonal. Change your diagonal, Sally.
Xander's big behind.
Good. Now try to let her go a little bit. When she's relaxed, try to let go of her face. Good. Why don't you circle down there? Now, I'm going to say this to the video camera. If you would just get her to the point where you can kind of let go of her a little bit, she'll relax and stretch down. Like there. Now let go. There. When she kind of does that, let go. That means she wants to stretch down and be good.
This is like the shakiest footage.
You know,
So your hands are just like...
Chelsea, even if this doesn't work out with Sally and Savannah, you should really keep on working her because she is actually very cute.